Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Hearts, and I am back to share some projects that I made in a little Pooh class, that Winnie the Pooh class that I took with La Land Crafts. First of all, let me show you the products. I don't have, I think, one of the stamp sets, the Eeyore one, so I improvised a little bit, but here are the really cute products. And I know a lot of companies are doing Winnie the Pooh since it's now in the public domain. And so anyway, I really love their take on it. I also like the dies that Spellbinders is doing. Those are great too. But here is, you know, part of this release that they had. So just great release. I really want time to play with these items. I didn't even use these. But here is the paper, in the forest paper. It's really beautiful paper. So here are the cards that I made in this little class that Irina put on to go with this release. And it's adorable. I always improvise. Like if I don't want to, she can make things so beautifully elaborate, and sometimes I just don't do it because I want to be simple, or I don't feel like getting everything out because everything's a mess. So anyway, here is the card, and I just used a lot. Luckily, I think I had some of the papers that she was using, and I just kind of improvised on the ones I didn't. So there's that one, and then here is this one, and I think it's just so beautiful. And I loved how we did the coloring, and we used this sort of purple color so that the moon just looks like it's giving off this glow. And isn't that fun? So beautiful and elegant, and she always decorates insides in cute ways. You can put a little note or a little gift card or something in the little side pocket here. And then here's the third one. So this one, she had the drip die, and I don't have that die, so I didn't put it down there, but you know, I think it'd be really cute to do that. And so here's this card. I don't even know how we color these. I forget. Did we use some sort of paint? What did we do? But isn't that fun? So super fun. If you guys like Winnie the Pooh, I highly recommend that you check out La Land Crafts. They have this whole line. If you already have some Winnie the Pooh, maybe check out their paper, because I think the paper just really goes really well without it screaming I'm Winnie the Pooh. It's just forest paper in the night and daytime sky, and just really cute. So those are my cards. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Create That.